Hey, Shoni from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got a package from MoYu, and this is the new MoYu clock. I'm not someone that really solves clock. I've learned, and then I forget, and then I learn again, and then I forget. Now, right off the bat, I love the colors. Lou Wilson would also love these colors. As far as these pins, they're very light. Like, very quick to switch. And they want to snap into place. Look at that. Just partially push down, snaps the rest of the way. So real quick. These feel a little bit almost gummy. Not a very distinctive click. I mean, it seems to differ quite a bit between how many pins are down. Well, I don't remember how to solve it, so let's just scramble it randomly. Got a little bit stuck there. Yeah, I wonder if that will loosen with time. Push the top left pin up and all of the pins down. Turn the top left dial until the center clock matches the right edge. Okay, good. Then push the top right pin up, all of the pins down. Turn the top right until it matches the bottom. Okay. And then match here. Yeah, well, that's kind of tight to turn right there. Then I turn here so it matches. Then I turn here so it matches. Okay. I'm curious if breaking it in works. There's a live stream I did where I practiced clock. I already forgot how to do it all. Okay, so a couple things I really like about this. You don't need to use a lot of force to push the pins. But I found that the pins sometimes get stuck. If I'm in between something, they don't want to move at all. Like, I'm pushing pretty hard there. It's got to be aligned. Sometimes, super nice to turn. Other times, it's very gummy to turn. So the tactileness changes depending on what it is. I feel like there's some things, just from my general knowledge of clocks, from scrambling them at competitions when I do that correctly, and my own practice with it, I really like some things about this. There's some things that move really nicely. Some things that feel like it's a little bit of a trade-off then. Like I'm wondering if this really nice ability to move the pins has that trade-off there. But I will have a link when it's available. I don't know when it will be available. It's not yet, I don't think. But when it is, I will try to put it up here. If it is available and you know it is, let me know. That way I can link it and help everyone else if you want to pick it up. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, MoYu, for sending this over. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep following SpeedCubeReview for more news and reviews.